J5create, tomorrow's technology today. Make your new HDMI equipment compatible with the VGA display. We have an easy-to-use cable with no software required. Presenting our JDA213 HDMI to VGA adapter. Connect the HDMI output from your computer, notebook, smart TV, mini desktop computer, video camera, game console, or Blu-ray player to the VGA output of TV, monitor, or projector. It is an easy-to-use cable with no software required. VGA output is compliant with VESA, VSIS, V1R2 specification. HDMI receiver compliant with HDMI 1.4 specification. It also includes 2-channel analog audio output. Simply plug and play. Resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 at 60 Hz and HD TV. Put your old monitor to good use. JDA213. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and now Instagram. Visit us on the web at j5create.com for a full list of our products and technical support, including live chat.